Milwaukee Tool is focused on our end users, which are the professional trades. Our focus is that we create solutions for those tradesmen and keep them safe and more efficient on the job site. We use Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP as our core for our financial execution within the organization, and then our supply chain order management, inventory management is being delivered to us through the Oracle Fusion Cloud SCM. Oracle Fusion Cloud applications has given us the capacity that we needed to figure out how do we onboard or start up new facilities, new processes within North America that we didn't have before. The freedom or the flexibility that the platform has given us is really what's driving us to be able to expand our operations faster than we would have done on our previous solutions. Accenture was a critical partner of ours throughout the transformation at Milwaukee Tool. What we were really challenged with was our ability to expand our distribution footprint to allow us to continue to grow and support the global organization that we are. And the partnership between Oracle, Accenture, and Milwaukee Tool really helped us establish that foundation where we put our business at the center, and then we wrap that into technology to move our organization forward. What Accenture brought to us was the flexibility that we needed to be able to move fast, make decisions, and move the project forward, but not get caught up in the red tape of an agreement or an approach on how we're going to implement, and worked with the agility that we really needed in the project as we were learning the platform, but also how we needed to evolve our business to support where we are going and our growth.